Hello Year 4, welcome back. I'm going to start off today's lesson just by going through question 1 from the task that I set you yesterday. Okay, so if I have a read of it first. So Gordon takes a flight from Southampton to Athens at 8:15 a.m. The journey takes 3 hours 40 minutes. There are flights from Athens to Southampton every 3 hours from 8:15 a.m. Gordon wants to return to Southampton on the same day. What is the latest flight that he can take? Okay, so this problem here, they've given us lots of information, but hopefully you figured out that this first part about Gordon leaving from Southampton to Athens, okay, and the journey taking 3 hours 40 minutes, I don't need to add 3 hours 40 minutes onto 8:15 a.m. Okay, what I need to concentrate on is looking at the flights from Athens to Southampton. Okay, so it's telling me that they start at 8:15 a.m. and they happen every 3 hours. Okay, so what I'm going to do is on my number line, I'm going to keep on adding on 3 hours, okay, to work out the flights for that day. So if I add 3 hours first of all, okay, that's going to take me to 11:15 a.m. Okay, once again, add 3 hours will then take me to 2:15 p.m. now. Another 3 hours. Okay, there's another flight at 5:15 p.m. Not sure I've drawn my number line quite big enough. Add 3 hours, 8:15 p.m. Okay, add 3 hours, 11:15 p.m. So this number line now shows me the times of all of the flights that happen from Athens to Southampton. Okay, so the question asked me what is the latest flight that he can take, and he wants to return on the same day. Okay, so obviously I'm going to be looking at these PM flights. So the last flight from Athens is at 11:15 p.m. However, because the journey takes 3 hours 40 minutes, that will mean that Gordon does not get back on the same day. So actually, the latest flight that he can take is at 8:15 p.m. Okay, so hopefully you got 8:15 p.m. Please now pause the video, mark question 1, and then have a look at questions 2 and question 3. Lovely. Right. Today I'm going to set you a bit of a challenge that you can have a go at home. It is quite a nice activity that you can have a go at with people in your household. Okay, what you will need to do is have a look at these time cards. You can find a copy of this on the Learning PowerPoint, okay, to print out. Or if you don't have access to a printer, you could just pause the video and write out the cards that I've got here. Okay, what you will need to do is cut them out, okay, so that they're into individual pieces of paper. Have a read of them, and I'd like you to try and put them into order, okay? So, for example, we've got things like the time needed to soft boil an egg, time for light to come from the moon, time to tidy your bedroom, okay? So what you can do is have some quite nice discussions, okay, and see if you can put them in order of time, okay? It would be really nice if you'd like to, for you to take a photo of what you've come up with and pop it onto Purple Mash for your teacher to see, okay? So good luck, and I look forward to seeing what you come up with.
Welcome to day 4 of Fluent in 5. So today we've got 4 different questions. So A, 900 times 4, B, 78 add 50, C, something divided by 8 is 496, and D, 4,329 add 4,329. I'm going to work out what that equals. Please pause the video, give yourself 5 minutes and have a go. So let's now go through the answers. So A, we are going to do mentally. So 900 times 4 we're going to use what we know. So 9 times 4 is 36. 90 times 4 would be 360. And because 900 is just 10 times bigger than 90, we know our answer is going to be 10 times bigger. So our answer will be 3,600. B, another one we're going to try mentally. So I've got 78 add 50. So I know that 50 is just like adding 5 tens. So I can say 78, 88, 98, 108, 118 and 128. That is my answer there. C, one we're going to do a written method for. So something divided by 8 is 496. Now for this question we're going to have to use the inverse, so the opposite, to help us work out the answer. So I know that something split into 8 groups, there will be 496 in each group. So we're going to do the inverse, so the opposite, so we are going to do a multiplication. So we're going to do 496 times 8. So I've got 6 ones times 8 ones is 48 ones. So I've got 8 ones and I'm going to regroup my 40 ones for 4 tens. 9 tens times 8 is 72 tens, add my 4 tens is 76 tens, so I'm going to regroup 70 of those for 700s, and I've got 6 tens remaining. Then I've got 400s times 8, so that's 3200s, add my 7, so that's 3900s, so I'm going to regroup 30 of those for 3000, 900s remaining, and then I haven't got any thousands to multiply, so I've got my 3,000. So my divisor in this case is going to be 3,968. And you could, if you wanted to, do a long division and divide this number by 8 to check your answer. And then the final one we are going to do and use a written method for is 4,329. Add 4,329. So I've got 9 ones, add 9 ones is 18 ones. So we group 10 of those for 110, 8 ones left. 2 tens, add 2 tens, add 110 is 5 tens. 300s, add 300s is 600s. And 4,000, add 4,000 is 8,000. So our answer, 8,658. Hope you will manage to get some of those right. Feel free to go and do any corrections that you might need to do, and we'll see you tomorrow.